Today we'll look at how we can use sensors and strain gauges in evaluating results for response dynamics. Here we have several different types of sensors that we can create, as well as stress or strain gauges. We'll begin our demonstration after the one shown here in the link in the top right, and we'll create a new event. This event can't be a base excitation event because they don't support sensors or strain gauges. So we'll select a random event. Then we'll define a sensor. Here I'll create a displacement sensor. We'll specify where we want it, as well as its direction. And we can do that either as a component or a vector that we can define arbitrarily, or normal to our surface. Now that we've defined our sensor, we'll complete the specification of our event by defining an excitation. Now that we've defined our excitation, we can evaluate our sensors. If we had more than one, we could select them either graphically or from a list selection. We can store it as an AFU or simply plot it with a prefix. So here you can see the displacement as a function of frequency. Next, we'll create a strain gauge. We have a number of different types of strain gauges we can create. I'll create a 060-120 rosette. We'll specify its location. You can also specify a rotation angle and an orientation. Here I've selected face plane, but we could orient it relative to a CSIS. Now that we've specified the rosette, we can evaluate our strain gauges. Here we can specify the different components, or that we'd like to evaluate all of the legs of our 060-120 rosette. So here leg 1 corresponds to 0, 2 to 60, and 3 corresponds to 120 degrees. Simcenter 3D makes it easy to evaluate response dynamics results with sensors and strain gauges.